Ashok sir for their kind coordination and help at every point of time. Thank you so much. I would just like to say thank you all of you for your efforts, especially the juniors who came up for participation, and I would want all of you to be the pioneers for the next year's Sangathan, and please encourage your juniors as well as we did, and thank you all for your support.
Everyone, I would like to thank JK sir and Monisha ma'am for giving me such a great opportunity, and even Ashok sir and all like ADG and all of you. Ravi especially, fine. And it was a great, it was my pleasure to meet you guys, and thank you. That's it.
Just want to say thanks to all of you. This is the time I have made so many friends, and with the help of JK sir, Monisha ma'am, and Ashok sir, just want to say this is the best time you make friends, and along with that you get the best recognition among the what do you say?
Hi guys, all I want to say here is just that, just get that trophy back. We want it, right?
And you want it badly.
Yes, we want it badly. So let
Last but not the least, Ravi, please go.
Yes. And we want more participation next year, please. And that's it. Thank you.
So friends, as said by everybody, this is the best time you come to know about your juniors and you get value with them. So I would request my juniors, as they were not willing to play this time, so you should come and play, and OD is not a problem. I would like to thank JK sir, Monisha, and especially Ashok sir for giving us you. Thank you.
Hello everyone. Even though I did not play anything, but I had a great time. I was there for every sport, and I encouraged almost each and everyone out here. So, everyone. But I just want to say to the juniors that I want the trophy back, and that too very badly. Thank you so much.
I have seen a girl who is present here, and it's really very proud moment for all of us that she never played any game in life. But she is everywhere in every game. Even I found her in Noida Stadium, which is far from a MIT campus. She is there in, and can you guess, she is from HR. Kalpana. Kalpana is there? Kalpana, yes. Actually, suppose I am the sports person. Yes, by background. ADG sir is a sports person. BK sir is a sports person. Monisha is a sports person. For a sports person, it is not very big thing that why I should be in the ground. We should be ground even though we do not invite, even though I am not the coordinator, even though when time will come then I am not interested in organizing this thing, I would be there watch you the game and all because it's my interest. But the person like Kalpana, the person like Ravi, the person like M. Vivek of marketing sales, the person Gulati, Abhinav Gulati of marketing sales, these people never having interest into the game, but they are everywhere. And see, on one hand, some students are so terrified with their career, sir, OD क्या होगा, अभी भी problem है. और इसीलिए last moment में, before ending the session, मेरे तरफ से एक word है, और इसके बाद मैं 1 मिनट के लिए अशोक सर को यहाँ पे बुलाऊंगा और आज की टाइम यहीं पे खत्म कि जितने भी समस्याएं आपकी अनसॉल्व्ड है टिल संडे मीन्स अभी हम पूरी तरह डूबे हुए हैं संगठन में. संडे को मेरी आंख खुल जाएगी और उसके बाद मंडे होल डे though I would be busy in taking 6-hour class in marketing sales because Monday to Thursday I'm going to have complete my entire commitment with my first year. And I am committing to you that no matter whether it is a work directly related to ADG sir or the respective program directors and program leaders, I personally make whole night programs on the Monday evening and rectify all those commitments which remain unsolved for you regarding number 1, those students who had missed the paper during Sangathan. Organizing their retest paper is not the job of program leaders, not the job of program director, because I motivated you. I personally meet that teachers, and it is my job. I can make available your internals, your marks updation, your ODs issues, no matter first year, second year, all things will be done more than what you are thinking right now. That is a commitment, and that all will be within the rule and regulation of the institution. Within the rule and regulation. If you do the thing out of way, it is not admirable points. If you do the thing within the institutional norm, this is always appreciation. So please save your all worries, and thank you. With this time, Ashok sir, kindly I request you for a minute that please have some words with the student, because this opportunity rarely comes, right? And then at the end, Ashok sir, please invite Monisha ma'am at the end very please.
तुम्हें तो 2 मिनट बोलना.
Ma'am, please.
I just want to speak for just 2 minutes, everybody. I have said everything, I have viewed everything for these 2 months. But hats off to all of you. Hats off to all of you. I just agree with one thing in life. Being a sports person, being a professional, being a sales, marketing, everything. Tough times don't last, but tough people do. And you are those tough people. Two more words, which are one of my most favorite words, which you see in Facebook. That is just chuck there to all of you. Chuck there.
I feel very happy to see all of you people sitting here. And as an institution, we always feel proud whenever we see our students involved in almost all facets of the education. Whether it is your theory classes, whether it is your practical, whether it is sports, or whether it's any other things like culture and all those things. As a professional, basically, we need to have a well-groomed personality, and your confidence and your strength, and the way you are going to have a winning attitude. These are certain things which cannot be attained in the class, which can be attained only when you are out of the class. Definitely, there are a lot of constraints in terms of the ODs, constraints in terms of academics, constraints in terms of the, you can say, being updated in the market, and a lot of competitions coming up. There are so many management graduates which are coming on year-on-year basis, and it's getting tougher and tougher out in the market. But still, with all those constraints and everything, if I see a lot of students participating in each and everything, in each and every event, and above all, when I see overall the university, and it is the ABS which is always we have seen, which is coming up at each and every place. And whether sometimes you might be feeling low, but one thing is for sure, the kind of facilities that have been given to the ABS, kind of the privileges that have been provided to the ABS, none other institute in the entire MIT University has been provided with that. No way. This is speaking in terms of the words of our founder president, in terms of our chancellor, in terms of our vice chancellor, and even the pro vice chancellor. Why these all privileges, why these all things have been provided to ABS is just because our students, they work very, very hard. Whether it is on the field, off the field, in the class, out the class, and so on.
Very good. Shabash.
At this point, whether we are having a trophy or doesn't having a trophy, that is a secondary aspect. But first and foremost thing, that all of these sports captain and everything has been putting across the point that we all are united. Whatever the program we are, whatever the stream we are, whatever be our final objective, wherever we are, but ultimately we all have become a united as a team, which is very important. Because later in the life you are going to really realize this power of the teamwork. I have seen my students pulling the rest of their classmates, pulling their juniors along with them. Why? Because they all have been in a team. wherever this teamwork goes wrong, wherever there are students who don't fall in team, these are the ones who falls behind. So it is very important to have that team spirit. It's very important to be united. It is very important that to take the other people along with you. And I congratulate for the fabulous work that you have done. And the
And for the second
medals.
runners-up trophy.
Yes, and it's a trophy and the game that we have won. And,
A big
very
clap.
good. It's a
Out of 101 teams, you are second runners-up. It is not a small thing.
And as far as the your academics and everything is concerned, like Jitendra sir is also being said the same point, like we all are here. But only one thing is that pains me at some point of time is that certain students, they try to take advantage of the situation. Please don't run away from the situation. If there's any problem, you need to confront from that. Yes, playing games off the field isn't a nice thing. The people who do it, I have pointed them in specific things. What happens because of these people, the rest of the team also starts suffering. That is a major problem area with us. Anyhow, it's nice that we have attained a good position and maintained our reputation, and we have been at least in the top 3. It's very great. And hopefully, like next year, you all people are going to be in the forefront. I have never played the competitive sports, but still I play a lot of sports. And so it's good to see the people involved into that. So great, have a great time.
Now I am giving the last responsibility to our creative team, Madan. Please get up.